Yo, what's the deal? It's your boy Walking Rich, and we're checking in at Wojtek Installations with my boy David, man. And my boy promised to take care of me. Can't wait to hear the finished product, man. I've been about 3-4 different installation shops, man. They told me I had some power issues coming from my battery, and I needed to rewire my power with all copper wires. I heard I need a new amp. I heard I need new speakers. Like I say, I done heard it all, and can't wait to see my boy David do his work, and can't wait to hear the finished product, man. Y'all check my boy out over at Wojtek Installation, man. It's getting the current or anything.
It is, but it can you play something else?
Oh, you're saying it's crimping, so it's short in and out.
The actual piece that goes onto the speaker. I'm currently here with a good friend of mine. We are having to rewire his entire audio system. Unfortunately, there was a bad install, so he's got some speakers that aren't working. But I'm gonna get my boy right, and you guys will be able to hear what the final product sounds like.
Got a light on it? Is there a way you can position that wire to where it's not like hang it, like maybe to where it's like flush to the trunk?
There's a bar that I can run it over.
Yeah.
It'll hold it up a little bit, but that's about the best I can do.
That's fine.
So
you been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I should have never even.
they both should be good. I don't think they'll come out if you hit a bump or something. What I'll do right now is I'll take a pair of pliers and I'll squeeze the female connectors a little bit so it has a tighter grip on the tab.
Okay.
So was there anything else? Front speakers, anything? Or was it just the back ones?
It was just, that was like I say, this was like where I got it for a little bit. It was running like this for like 2 weeks, and then it happened again. But it happened again, like I say, either somebody pulled it out or the bass made it rattle back out. This side I know got pulled out. Now why the right side wasn't working, I don't know.
It's a good thing you have a grill on there.
Oh yeah, because my first one got busted. That's why,
got stuff leaning up against it?
Bro. Yeah. I got like bike, my daughter clubs, my golf club, so yeah. That was the first thing I bought when I bought that thing.
So was that it?
Yeah, I mean, if you like, do you like, okay, watch this, let me see. Oh, yeah. Also look, watch this.
In the club, let my blocks, nigga. I don't trust niggas ever since I was a young nigga. Coming up, nigga. Ain't nobody show me love, nigga. So it's fuck, niggas.
This, remember that knob don't work, remember?
Nigga, this is what that jungle do.
But I don't know
nigga,
if this is
what that jungle do. That jungle turned me to a monster.
I had a bad knob, but I don't like, it never worked.
Normally a light will come on. It'll show you that it's powered, so the cable may be disconnected from either here or the amp.
Turned me to a monster.
And then let me see.
That jungle made me go harder. The jungle turned me to a monster.
So the front speakers.
You get what I'm saying? It's not hooked up right. That's supposed to go right, but it did something else.
And you only got bad speakers, none of your front shit's playing.
Huh?
None of your front speakers are playing. These aren't playing.
Right, or and my tweeters aren't playing. Yeah, and these aren't playing. Let's try fader. See, like, why is my bass cutting off? Because I put it in front. It's like they got my bass hooked up to the front speakers. I mean, to the rear speakers.
They do. They do. Yeah.
So it's like all bass. So where's my highs hooked up to? You get what I'm saying?
Do you have 1 amp or 2 amps?
2 amps.
You have 2 amps.
They bolted to the back seat.
Okay.
You can either pull them down back here to access them, or
yeah,
that's probably easiest.
I'll check them out right now.
fuck.
Oh shit.
So we're gonna have to fucking like heat that shit with a torch and pull it out. You got a needle? Oh, but the plastic is off in there.
The metal shielding.
And this one broke.
Yo, man, they did you wrong, bro. So this...
And I might not even be able to put my golf clubs back in there too then.
This is gonna be an all-day project. If you want me to take care of this, what we're gonna have to do is rewire your entire system. Whatever they did horribly wrong. They wired your stuff, that's why you can't fade. I'm not exactly sure why it is only your back speakers are working. I hear the tweeters up front, but something ain't right, man. High-low output converters they're little boxes.
Is it by the battery?
No, they're either behind the stereo or somewhere behind one of your speakers in the door or something. They're little boxes, and it basically
I feel like I've seen them somewhere
it
before.
converts a high output, a speaker output, into an RCA output so that you can hook up amps to a factory stereo.
I think they in the door.
So they may be in the door, but I will get you right, and I will get this working. It's just gonna be an all-day job. It's gonna take a minute. Right now is trying to trace where the RCAs that were put in the vehicle were run. They're damaged, so today I will be hopefully fixing the audio problem by replacing just the RCAs, but we'll see. If they used high-low output converters, they would be behind the radio connected to the factory speaker outlets. I believe I found the RCAs. Yeah, I'm slowly taking the dashboard apart. There we go. So basically what I'm going to do right now is remove the amp with the problem RCAs in it so I can get a better look at where they're ran. So currently I'm taking the screws that mounted the amp out so I can move the amp out of the way and get a better look at where the RCA cables are ran. The one thing I just saw right now is the RCAs for the 4-channel amp that push the highs and the mids are disconnected. The RCA cables.
Now what do the RCA cables look like?
So they essentially look like these. On one side you have male, and then on the other end of the RCA cable you would have another male that would plug back into the back of the radio.
Each of my East PT. Lil nasty bitch nuts on the PP. King of the ratchet shit, call me BB. Damn! Go up. Go up. Go up. Go up.
Hey, how you guys doing? My name's David. I own and operate Wojtek Installations. I have an extensive mobile electronics background. I've spent more than 20 years installing various electrical equipment in rental cars, MTA buses. I spent 2.5 years building sheriff's trucks for the LA County Sheriff's Department. I've been MECP certified twice through the federal government. So I know what I'm talking about and I know what I'm doing. So if you guys need any work, please hit me up, hit my friends up. I'll take care of you. We'll do this right.